Welcome friends, in this video I am going to tell about what is list. Now upcoming videos you are generally getting the knowledge about collection of elements. Okay, if you already learned about in array C++ there is concept called a array. That concept is also starting from Python as a list, tuple, set and dictionary. These are also called as a data structure. So let's start how the list is going to be work for you, which is a collection of elements. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. So mostly lists are mainly used for storing the multiple items single variable by help of single variable. So list is the one of the built-in data types in Python. There is also stored collection data types, which is other three are tuple, set, dictionary, and all different qualities and usage. Okay, so list generally representing in a square bracket. All the elements are represent in a square bracket or within a square bracket. So let's see one example. So suppose there is a L, it's called a list item. If I will single square bracket is given. If you go for the print L, it returns you that is simple list. Okay, that is called a empty list. Fine, this is called a empty list. So when you go for the adding the element inside the list, that is here we numerical values are going to be added, that is the integer form, and then going to print, and it returns that filling of empty list with values. Okay, the empty list now inside the list is going to be giving you values. If there is a list equal to within square bracket 1.2 comma 1.3 comma 1.4 comma 1.5. Okay, so when you are going to print L, it returns you that is all the float data. Okay, all the float data inside the list in the form of list also. If you want to see the type of the list, print within this there is a type, and within type you define the list object, then it will return you the type of the L is list. What is the type of the L? That is your list. When I am already told about that how it is generally print the type of a particular object or variable. So this is the way. The type is the function which will returns the type of the particular variable or object. Okay, the element. Okay, it returns the type of the particular element. So you understand what is the list. So list are the collection of elements, that is the different types. Okay, and you can repeat, you can add multiple values also inside the list with repeatable form. Okay, if you want to add one multiple number of times, you can add. Here a repeat is allowed. Okay, then another, if you want to add string. Okay, L equal to within the list you have to add A comma B comma C comma D. Okay, then print here L, and it returns you that is list items A B C D. Fine, so that's all. So if you want to print string, so this is the form of character in string, and this is your double quote, quote comma keypad, then print, then L, return you that is a QWERTY keypad. So this is the way how your list is going to be work. Upcoming time I will given you all different ways to work on the work on the list, and with also what are the different functions are generally present in this particular list item. Okay, list object. So that's all. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box, type there, and please like and share this video. Please click on the subscribe button and click on the also bell icon. When I am going to upload any future video, you will get the notifications. Thank you.